cough syrup but hate the taste? Yeah. Try Sweldon's new cough syrup gum. Sweldon's cough syrup gum. Go buy some today. And also get some Sweldon's pain reliever gum.
Sweldon's cough syrup gum. Buy now. Not in any stores, only online.